Welcome back to Genrise, your guide to a successful career abroad. Today, we explore the exciting career paths possible after completing the Ausbildung Hospitality program in Germany. The Ausbildung Hospitality program opens doors to a wide range of career opportunities in the diverse hospitality industry. From a hotel manager to a guest relations officer, the Ausbildung Hospitality program equips you with the skills for various roles within the hotel and accommodation sector. Become a part of the vibrant food and beverage industry. You could be a restaurant manager, a sommelier, or even a culinary consultant. With your Ausbildung Hospitality degree, venture into the exciting world of event management. Plan and execute corporate events, weddings, conventions, and more. Or, delve into the dynamic field of tourism. Explore roles like a travel consultant, tour operator, or even a destination marketer. With Ausbildung Hospitality and Genrise by your side, the possibilities are endless. Join us in our next video as we dive deeper into these career paths.